Welcome to Engine Explorer. What if I told you the classic American big rig just got a luxury makeover that turns highways into hotel hallways? Meet the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Not just a truck, but a jaw-dropping 5-star rolling suite built for those who don't just drive, but live the road at first glance. Still the legendary long-nose W900, that chrome grille, the proud stacks, the king of the highway stance. But behind that signature Kenworth face, the transformation so stunning, even seasoned truckers are stopping dead in their tracks. Let's open it up. While the automatic side slide out expands into a spacious living area wrapped in premium leather and hardwood. You're greeted by ambient lighting, a 7-inch 4K TV, and a theater-style recliner set. Every inch screams executive class. Now swing left, the kitchen. We're talking a chef-grade setup, convection oven, dual induction burners, smart fridge, with touchscreen controls and a quartz island counter. Cooking while parked, more like gourmet dining with a view. Move past that, and the master suite awaits a king-size memory foam bed, cedar-lined closets, and motorized blackout shades. But here's where it gets wild. The ensuite bathroom includes a rainfall shower, a heated marble floor, and yes, even a compact jacuzzi tub on a Kenworth. Powering all this, a Cummins X 15 605 horsepower engine paired with an 18-speed automatic, hauling not just weight, but pure elegance. The chassis is tuned with adaptive suspension to handle luxury without sacrificing ride comfort. Whether you're on the interstate or a winding mountain pass, but it's not just muscle, it's smart. The entire RV is controlled via a touchscreen panel or your smartphone. Lighting, climate, solar charge, security cams, all in your pocket. There's even a built-in satellite internet system for streaming and remote work. Off-grid life covered. Solar panels, a 20-kilowatt generator, and a 500-gallon water tank setup give it serious boondocking potential. It's a trucker's escape plan, freedom with no compromises. Whether you're a veteran hauler, a luxury road tripper, or just someone chasing the American open road in ultimate comfort, the 2026 W900 Motorhome is a dream turned reality. It's not just transportation, it's transformation. This is Engine Explorer, and that was the truck that redefined home on wheels. Don't forget to subscribe for more wild rides and unreal machines.